This transfer pencil is fantastic. I love the way you can just trace anything off onto paper and then iron that onto fabric. I'm going to use it in conjunction with tracing paper. And I'm going to transfer design from this Tilda book. So I've picked the well. So the first thing to do is to copy that over, just literally trace around it onto my tracing paper. You can actually use regular paper too. I'll turn it over and put it on my fabric and iron it for about 5 to 10 seconds. So there's my design transferred. Now those lines are permanent. For this particular one I will sew around them and then cut out my little whirl. But you can actually use the design more than once. I could actually put the other piece on and I could do it again. Just remember that you need to write your numbers and letters backwards, because when you turn it over to transfer it onto the fabric, they will then be the right way round.